activity number 1. We have these old logs that have decomposed in the ground. We're going to, they're set in the side of the trail to try and help the tread of the trail not slough off the side. So we're going to be pulling out the old decomposed logs.
Yeah, no, we're having a great time actually. Everybody's got like a really good attitude and sense of humor, so you can't really beat that. I mean, that makes anything fun.
Previous trail excavated.
Oh yeah, so
I'm just out of shape. It's not getting any lighter.
And then, you know, probably reworking those holes that the old logs are in to fit new posts, essentially. Okay, never mind. A 6x6. Oh, hey, this is nice. Okay, cool. On the little day. Just pass the time away. Pretty good. Very tired. I'm getting outworked. But spirits are high.
Yeah.
100% getting outworked by Maggie right now.
That's right. I gotta keep up.
Is it a lizard?
He was under the log.
Can I have a friend?
What is it? It's a lizard.
Oh,
He was
nice.
under the log I moved, so I was just gonna...
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Maggie's got this.
Okay guys, good news and bad news.
What is your news?
What do you want first?
Bad.
Bad news, you have to stop. You guys want the good news?
Yeah.
It's lunchtime.
Yeah, you want to? She's like, I don't want my kid. Well, I want this food.
I'm glad she at least showed back.
Yeah, I know that the Humane Society's full. There's no place to...
Are we exercising? Are we doing squats?
No, we're Oompa Loompa-ing.
And so after we dig the posts in, we'll have drilled some holes in them and use sledgehammers to pound rebar to pin the posts in. That's the first project. The second project is replacing some decking for a viewing platform. A couple of the pieces of decking have deteriorated a little bit, starting to present a tripping hazard. So for that, and they're just, you know, it's just big wood boards spiked into wood cross pieces. So pop the old nails out and put the new boards in, nail the new boards down.
So down here we have like a mishmash of a bunch of different projects. Backpack blowing, we got 2 people on that.
Well, we've had a partnership with Tread Lightly for years, and so we wanted to just, you know, give back and do trail work. So it was our idea, you know, to expand our partnership and just try to activate more, right? And then this is kind of like phase 1 for us, and then we want to try to like get our IKamper community to activate as well.
Oh my gosh, I've had so much fun today. I hope IKamper has too. Great people. I think they both fit really well together. We're all kind of in this outdoor recreation space, and it's so great when companies like IKamper really care about ethics that go along with their company. So I'm just really honored to have been able to come along and participate.